My bike hauler, and I had some extra wood left over, and I decided to try to make something out of it. This may be the stupidest invention I've ever made, and I seriously have not tested it yet, but we'll see how it goes. So I had a spare motor, a bunch of wood scraps, cut-off blade. Actually, I think that's a cut-off blade for masonry, and a phone. So, let's see what happens. I need to be walking to get some active time, apparently. So let's see, I got 100 steps. So this is my attempt for my weight loss program. Okay, let's see what happens. It is working. It fucking kicked out of the... It definitely worked. Oh, it didn't even need to be that elaborate. It's counting steps just by the vibration. Let's put some more speed. It definitely worked. Mission success.